Is your Asus Aura Sync not detecting available devices, leaving your RGB lights dark? You need immediate solutions to fix Asus Aura Sync not detecting devices right now. First, open Device Manager, locate your RGB controller, and update its driver software. A quick restart often resolves minor conflicts, so reboot your PC and check Aura Sync. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system software, which brings us to method 2, a clean reinstallation. Completely uninstall Aura Sync, delete any leftover files, then restart your PC. Download and install the latest version, running it as administrator to ensure proper permissions. Still seeing no devices? Sometimes the simplest fix is physical. Power down your computer, open the case, and carefully verify all RGB cable connections. Reseat every cable firmly into its motherboard header. Secure those connections, power back on, and relaunch Aura Sync. Finally, if the software and hardware are good, Windows Services might be the culprit. Open the Services app, find Lighting Service, set its startup to automatic, and ensure it's running. Do the same for Asus Update Service. Restart Aura Sync one last time. One of these methods will get your RGB back online, guaranteed.